Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Endometriosis. Endometriosis is occurrence of endometrial gland and stroma outside the uterine cavity. Endometriosis can occur anywhere. The most common site of endometriosis is ovary, which is also called as endometrioma or chocolate cyst. Other common sites of endometriosis include pouch of Douglas, posterior leaf of broad ligament, followed by uterosacral ligament, followed by fallopian tube. Least common site of endometriosis is brain, and endometriosis is not seen at spleen. Pathophysiology.
thank you and thank you for watching.